How have you guys been enjoying MPS so far? Had a great time?
Yeah. Great.
Awesome. Well, my name's Anthony. I'm on the marketing team here at Milwaukee Tool, and today I'm going to walk you through some exciting products we've been working on for the past year. So, since PACKOUT first launched, the rolling toolbox has been the go-to unit for those end users traveling back and forth from the job site to their vehicle or shop. But we need to be that full storage solution provider that PACKOUT strives to be, that we need an option for those end users who are working indoors in shops, as well as warehouses like the one that we're in today. With the launch of the PACKOUT Dolly in July of this year, I'm happy to say we finally have an answer. Right off the bat, you're going to notice a couple features that really set the PACKOUT Dolly above the competition. So when we went out and conducted our initial research, we noticed that when you're loading boxes on and off, since this has wheels, it tends to roll away from you. With the quick stop loading lever, all you need to do is step down, and you can easily take toolboxes off and place them back on your stack without it rolling away. Second, we have 360-degree pivoting casters, so you'll be able to maneuver this easily around the job site, as well as smooth roll wheels, which will really help keep the noise to a minimum for those end users who are working indoor facilities where noise is a concern. Durability was also a huge concern with other competitive units we saw in the marketplace, so we're going to have a best-in-class weight capacity at 250 pounds, and it's really going to hold up to those job site conditions. So again, this will be launching in July, but the next product I want to talk to you about is one that we've gotten requests for since PACKOUT first launched a couple years ago. Introducing to you guys today the world's fanciest milk crate, PACKOUT crate. So right off the bat, you're going to notice it has cleats on the bottom as well as receivers on the top. What this is going to allow users to do is stack it in any orientation they want to in their stack. They're not limited to sticking it on the top. But the most exciting thing about the crate is it'll be the first PACKOUT product that has cleats on the rear, so that when in storage and used with our mounting plate, you can easily mount it up on the wall, keep it up off the ground, and keep that workspace clear and clean. But durability was also a huge concern with a lot of competitive units that we saw. So today, I'm going to do a little demo. If everyone could put on their safety glasses. This is something I saw Matt do whenever he first introduced PACKOUT a couple years ago. We're going to take a 30-pound weight and drop it through a competitive unit. Or my safety glasses too.
You already broke the dumbbells. We already broke one.
Dropping it from chest height. You can see it broke to the bottom there. Now, let's see how ours holds up against the test. So, as you can see, those impact resistant polymers are really going to help with the durability of the PACKOUT crate. It's going to have a best-in-class weight capacity at 50 pounds. That's standalone in a stack as well as hanging on the wall.